Man, this is fucked up. I got no visibility. Driving through this fucking snowstorm, I had to pull over. I got no visibility. None. Yeah, this shit fucked up. Driving through this fucking snow ain't no joke. God damn. Look at this shit. I gotta let my mirrors cool down. Shit, can't fucking see shit. Look at this shit. Snow. Straight snow. Try to get your rest area. Yeah. Yeah. Some told me to wear fucking boots. This shit's fucked up. I had to pull the fuck over. Yeah. Life of a truck driver in the winter. These motherfuckers drive my head fast. Look at this shit. Alright, y'all. Keep me in your prayers. So sad. Woo! Shit.